How's it going? Hope you're doing good. I'm here with my buddy Hunter. We're going to compare this Crosman Storm XT at 15 yards. We're going to compare how many it goes through to a Ruger 1022 with Blazer ammo. Did a video with the Rossi and they went right through 4 of them, so I'm kind of curious to see how many cans it goes through the 22. And I haven't done a can test with the 177s yet, so I'm shooting the Gammo Redfire, or Hunter will be shooting the Gammo Redfires with the pellet rifle and Blazer with the 1022. With the pellet rifle it's going to be at 15 yards. With the 1022 it's going to be at 30. Here we go. That went pretty good. We've called all the sweat bees out of wherever they live. I think it's probably the soda that's attracting them. We should probably switch to something less sugary. But that went pretty good. That's the entry right there, the exit of the first can. I took pictures of the pellet. I was able to find the pellet. I couldn't find the red tip. This is the second can. Went in right there, and I don't know if you can see. You can see where it just barely hit in there, right there. So it went through 2. I think that would probably kill the heck out of a squirrel. Let's try the 22 long rifle now at 30 yards. We'll move it out, make the shot a little bit harder for Hunter here. Well, it went right through 5 of them. I think 5 might be the max for 22 long rifle. The first shots that we showed you, it just hit and it kind of deflected the bullet off to the right. So we redid the test and it went through 5 of them. We couldn't find the bullet, but I think that was a pretty decent test. It looked cool. So that's gonna be it for this video. We'll see you later.